I entered into this cloud and the aircraft system started to fail, just like they had in Tasmania. Except this time I was 600 kilometres from the closest piece of land. All my communication systems had failed. I didn't have the radio, I didn't have a satellite phone. I was obviously out of normal phone reception as well. I was completely on my own. And that's when it clicked in that a major lesson that I took away from this trip was that setbacks are the foundations to success. If I hadn't have had that experience in Tasmania, that time where I'd nearly died and I'd done something so incredibly silly that had nearly cost me my aircraft and my life, if I hadn't have had that moment where I was foolish, I wouldn't have been able to survive this situation in the middle of the Pacific Ocean where the stakes were a lot higher. And it's really taught me that failures should only be viewed as a negative if we don't learn something from them. Every failure is a learning opportunity, and it's a great time that gets you better prepared for the next attempt at your goal, whatever that might be.